In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel data and charts into Word and PowerPoint. If you're building reports, school projects, or client presentations, bringing Excel content into your slides and documents the right way keeps everything accurate, polished, and easy to update. Stay with me through the end for practical chart formatting tips so your work looks consistent and professional. Let's start in Microsoft PowerPoint by inserting an existing Excel file as an object. Open PowerPoint and navigate to the slide where you want your data to appear. Go to the Insert tab at the top, then in the text group, choose Object. In the Insert Object window, select Create from File. Click Browse, locate your Excel file in your folders, select it, and confirm with OK in the Browse window, then OK again in the Insert Object window. Your Excel file now sits on the slide as an embedded object. You can resize it by dragging the corner handles to keep proportions and move it by dragging anywhere on the object. This is ideal when you want to show a full spreadsheet view directly on a slide. If you need to make changes, just double-click the object to open and edit the Excel content from within PowerPoint. Next, let's insert a chart that uses Excel data, all without leaving PowerPoint. Go back to the Insert tab and this time choose Chart in the Illustrations group. A dialog appears with chart types. Select Clustered Column for a clear comparison across categories and click OK. An Excel sheet opens with sample data. Replace those sample categories and values with your own. You can add or remove rows and columns, and as you edit, the chart on your slide updates instantly in real time. When you're done, close the Excel window. The data is saved with your PowerPoint file. Click the chart to resize it using the corners and drag it into position. Use the Chart Design and Format tabs to apply a consistent style, adjust colors, pick readable fonts, add a legend or data labels, and make sure axis titles are clear. Small tweaks here go a long way toward clarity. You can follow the same approach in Microsoft Word. On the Insert tab, choose Object to place an existing Excel file directly in your document, or choose Chart to create a new chart with editable Excel data. This keeps your document dynamic and ensures numbers stay organized and presentation ready. That's it. You now know how to insert Excel data as an object and build charts that update correctly in both PowerPoint and Word. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching.